Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Melanie and I do a variety of different videos including beauty box unboxings, food subscription unboxings, TK Maxx hauls, Superdrug hauls, Boots hauls, B&M hauls. I also do daily, weekly and weekend food hauls as well. So if that's the type of video you like, then please subscribe and click the like button. So today's unboxing is of the Summer Beauty Box by Marks and Spencer's. You get it for £15 if you spend £40 on products, and seeing as I was actually buying products, I added this as well. If I didn't want to buy anything from Marks and Spencer's, I wouldn't buy it just to get this box. So it comes in this lovely black and white box with this sleeve on. So I'm going to show you each item one by one, and then you can see exactly what's in the box. So the first item is this Percy and Reed Hair A Walk in the Rain Shine and Fragrance Mist. So it's to help make your hair smell nice and keep it shiny but also stop it from going frizzy. I've actually just sprayed it on my hair and it smells pretty amazing. The second item is this PRAI Ageless Throat and Décolletage Cream. So it's a cream for your neck and your chest, and it says to apply it during the evening, and it does smell really nice, and it's 15ml. The next item is an item I've wanted to try for a long time, and it's the Origins Ginseng Energy Boosting Gel Moisturiser 30ml, and it says apply to at AM or PM, but I think if I was to use this it would be in the morning. And it does smell pretty amazing too. The next item is Colour Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. Magically transforms texture, amazing humidity proofing powers. So you basically wash your hair and condition it, and then you spray this on, and then you blow dry your hair, and it's supposed to help it fight against frizz. So I'm not really good at doing a blow dry on myself, so I don't know how good I am going to be at trying to do my hair, but this sounds pretty amazing. The next item is by Per Cosmetics, and it's this fully charged mascara powered by magnetic technology, and it's a small trial size, which I think is absolutely perfect for taking away. I don't think I've ever tried any Per Cosmetics, but I have heard of them. I have tried quite a few Ren products and some of them I've liked, and this is the Atlantic Kelp and Magnesium Anti-Fatigue Body Wash. It sounds amazing and it smells amazing, and I'm going to keep this for when I go away because it smells really natural and kind of like sea. So it's the type of scent that I like, and I think this would be perfect to take away when I go away. I've tried quite a few Nux products, or Nukes, or whatever you want to call it, and I've never tried anything from the Sun collection, and this is Refreshing After Sun Lotion. So I don't generally spend too much time in the sun because I burn and I get quite ill from the sun, but this would be perfect for one of those days I do actually go in the sun, as I don't have an after sun. I now do, and I've smelt this and this smells good too. If you've ever had a beauty box before, the chances are you've had one of these Philip Kingsley elasticizers. I've had so many of these over the year, I've lost count, and I've not tried many. I've only started trying them this year, and they're quite nice, but you've got to be quite patient because basically you have to put it on your hair and keep it on your hair for a certain amount of time. But this one particularly smells amazing. I have smelt it and it smells good enough to eat, and it's a big size as well. It's a big sample because it's 40ml, and sometimes you do get a much smaller sample than this. Next up is a Leighton Denny nail paint in the colour She's in Fashion. I don't have anything this colour, and I've tried Leighton Denny before from TK Maxx and it didn't last very long, so I threw it out because I like my nail polishes to last at least 3 days before chipping. But I'm really drawn to this, so I'm going to be trying this very soon. Most people have heard of this product. It's Deep Sleep pillar spray by This Works. I've had a couple of these before and I've never used them because I don't like lavender. But I think I'm just going to give this one a try because I do have trouble sleeping, and this may help, or I might end up hating it because it's got lavender in. This is a grapefruit scented EOS balm. I've had one of these before in mint and I left it and forgot about it, and then I couldn't really use it. But this absolutely smells really nice. You can really smell grapefruit and it doesn't smell artificial, so I'm looking forward to trying this. Then there is an Ultra Sun Professional Protection Lip Protection with an SPF of 30. I don't generally put anything on my lips for the sun because, as I said, I don't spend much time in the sun, but this could come in handy, and if it makes my lips soft I'll use it anyway. Next is Autograph Lasting Colour Intense Liquid Lipstick in the shade Mulberry. This is very much my type of shade. Never tried Autograph makeup before, so looking forward to giving this a try. I've heard this is a bit of a cult product. It's the Formula A Absolute Ultimate Sleep Cream. Skin looks like you've had 8 hours sleep even when you haven't. I believe this keeps selling out in the full size. Obviously this is a sample size or a trial size. So I'm looking forward to trying this, and I'm literally going to try this from tonight because I can't wait to see what it's like. I literally already have this on. It's the Sheer Radiance perfume by Autograph. It's kind of a citrus with undertones of floral, but you can't smell the floral too much, which I like because I'm not into floral scents. This smells very much like grapefruit. It's really, really nice, and I'm literally just going to use this as my perfume until it runs out because I do really like it. And I kind of like the bottle as well, it's just simple. And the final item is this pouch by Marks and Spencer's. It's got clouds on and thunder and sunshine. It's not got any print on the back, but it has the most amazing zip. I really like that. So that's everything in the box. I'm really happy with the contents of the box. There's lots of products that I've wanted to try and some that I want to try now that I've got them. If you want to know what I think of all these items, either leave a question down below or check out my blog, which is always linked in the description box, because I will be doing a matching blog post on the items. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification, and then you'll be alerted when I upload a new video, and I'll be back very soon with another one. Thank you for watching everyone, bye!